full wall of hinges. No idea which one to pick. Let me make it easy for you. This is the Higold 2.0 two-way clip-on soft-close hinge with 3D mounting plate. The two-way design helps protect your cabinet side panels and the hinge, so both last longer. Hold standing anywhere from 45 to 105 degrees. Below 45 degrees, the soft close takes over, smooth and quiet. Clip-on design, just press here to detach the hinge quickly. To put it back, push and click. Huge time saver. The cool part, you don't even have to take off the door for 3D adjustment. Super convenient. And even a beginner can get perfectly aligned cabinet. No effort, no hassle. Choose Higold 2.0 hinge. Simple, durable, and reliable.